Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today I want you to check out and subscribe to our channel called Dermatology Under the Microscope. Under the Microscope is dedicated to all sorts of medical content from A to Z. Or should we say abscesses to zits. As opposed to its sister channels, the page gives a more in-depth focus and has a lot of exclusive microscope footage like this. We also have electron microscope pictures and a plethora of bizarre medical footage. While I show you a few pimple pops and blackhead clips up close and personal, please click the link in the description below. I think you're going to love this channel. I do. See you there. Thanks for watching.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this opening triple Lutz, triple toilet combination.
Yeah!
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.